Welcome my dear students of class 5B to my GK class. Today's class is for lesson number unit 3, topic authors and writers. Authors and writers. This lesson already I taught you once. Once again I would like to repeat this lesson because of your memory, because someone is not recalling his or her memory properly and passing wrong answer. That's why it is better we should learn this lesson more efficiently and must keep the names of the authors and their achievements properly in our concepts. First one, Arundhati Roy. Second one, Jhumpa Lahiri. Third one, Salman Rushdie. Fourth, R.K. Lakshman. Fifth, APJ Abdul Kalam. Sixth, Vikram Seth. Seventh, Ruskin Bond. Eighth, Sanjeev Kapoor. 9, Shobha De. 10, Rabindranath Tagore. 11, Gulzar. 12, Amrita Pritam. These are the names of distinguished writers, authors and personalities of the world. Those who are from, our country, India. The first one, Arundhati Roy. What did she do? Arundhati Roy is a distinguished and prolific writer. What did she do? Arundhati Roy, is Indian novelist and became famous for her work, God of Small Things. That is the most important book Arundhati Roy wrote, God of Small Things. And by writing this book, Arundhati Roy has become a great novelist of our country, not only, but the whole world. She is Arundhati Roy. She belongs to our country, India. That's why it is said that Arundhati Roy is an Indian novelist and famous for her achievement, for her work, the God of Small Things. And second one, Jhumpa Lahiri. Jhumpa Lahiri also belongs to our country, India, but while staying in abroad, she has become a personality. She has become a great person of Asia, because she is the first one to win Pulitzer Prize. That is Pulitzer Prize. She is the first to win Pulitzer Prize from Asia, from our continent, Asia. She is the first one who won the Pulitzer Prize from Asia by writing the famous book Interpreter of Melodies. By writing this famous book, she won the Pulitzer Prize from Asia for the first time, and famous Indian American author of Bengali origin. Who is she? She is Jhumpa Lahiri. Jhumpa Lahiri is an Indian novelist famous for her work. Jhumpa Lahiri is a famous Indian American author of Bengali origin. And she is the first to win. She is the first in Asia to win the Pulitzer Prize for his famous book Interpreter of Melodies. And third one, Salman Rushdie. Who is Salman Rushdie? Salman Rushdie also belongs to our country. Actually, by origin, he is an Indian. By origin, he is an Indian. Who is he? He is Salman Rushdie. He is Indian origin author and has become famous by writing his famous book Satanic Verses. By writing his famous book, the satanic verses. And then next one, R.K. Lakshman. R.K. Lakshman. Who is R.K. Lakshman? R.K. Lakshman is one of the best cartoonists in the history of India. R.K. Lakshman is one of the best cartoonists in the history of India. He is R.K. Lakshman, one of the best cartoonists of our country, India. And the next one, APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam, you know, he is the 11th President of India. 11th President of India. Actually, APJ Abdul Kalam is a scientist, but later on he became the President of India, and it is 11th President of India. But he is also a prolific writer. He wrote the two famous books. Number one, Wings of Fire, and number two, Ignited Minds. He became 11th President of India because of his scientific achievements, skills, and qualities. He became popular, he became famous, and ultimately he became 11th President of India. He is APJ Abdul Kalam. And the next one, Bikram Seth. Who is Bikram Seth? Bikram Seth is a novelist and well known for his bestseller, A Suitable Boy. Bikram Seth is well known for his bestseller book, A Suitable Boy. He is Bikram Seth. And next one, Ruskin Bond. Who is Ruskin Bond? Ruskin Bond, a renowned children's author. Ruskin Bond is a renowned children's author and top novelist. He is a top novelist. He has won the Sahitya Academy Award for his English writing. He is from England and spent his childhood in India for many years, and he recalled his memories of his childhood by in his different books, and he ultimately has become a famous English writer, and whatever he wrote and in which books were the books which were published by him, everywhere he recalled his memory of his childhood. Whatever memory he left in India during his childhood, he clearly narrated it with examples in his different writings. He is Ruskin Bond, the famous writer of England, was given Sahitya Academy Award from our state. And next one, Sanjeev Kapoor. Who is Sanjeev Kapoor? Sanjeev Kapoor is most celebrated chief in India and author of many best-selling books on Indian cuisine. Who is he? He is Sanjeev Kapoor. Sanjeev Kapoor. And next one, Shobha De. Who is Shobha De? Shobha De also is famous. Shobha De also is famous for for the columns. She regularly writes her articles. The name of her column is The Week. Besides, she is also known as India's Jackie Collins. She is Shobha De, an Indian author, copywriter, and best known for her columns in The Week. Who is she? She is Shobha De. And next one, Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore received Nobel Prize Award in the year 1913 for his book of poems, the Gitanjali, by publishing the book of poems in English from Bengali to English. He became popular throughout the world. And the book of poems from Bengali to English, he himself translated it, and by reading his poems, book of poems or bunches of poems, the great poets of the world, they admired him a lot, and ultimately his name was chosen to be awarded as Nobel Prize winner, and ultimately he was given the Nobel Prize award in the year 1913, a sum of rupees 1,20,000 rupees during that period, and he spent that money in his Bolpur school, Santiniketan, because salaries of his teachers at Santiniketan Bolpur school was pending, and that's why he decided to spend the amount of money of Nobel Prize by paying their salaries of his teachers of Bolpur. And this is his greatness. Rabindranath Tagore had great love, sympathy for his children, for his students, for his colleagues, for the teachers of his school alike, and ultimately he established one university there. Initially it was a school, then college, then university, and now it has become a university, the Vishwabharati University. And the first chancellor was Rabindranath Tagore, Rabindranath's son. Rabindranath Tagore, its first chancellor. After the death of Rabindranath Tagore, the government of India has taken it, and in the name of central government, all administrative works are being done directly by the central government, and Prime Minister honorably, uh, whoever becomes Prime Minister, honorably he or she becomes the becomes the chancellor of this university. Now Narendra Modi has become the Prime Minister of India, so honorably he has also become the Chancellor of the Vishwabharati University. Anyway, the next one, Gulzar. Gulzar is a famous poet, lyricist, and film director, and he is also a well-known person in Bombay film industry. Gulzar is famous for his lyrics as a lyricist, writers, poets in India. He has gained popularity, and his songs continue to create magic even today. This day is Gulzar. And last one, Amrita Pritam. Who is Amrita Pritam? He is a suitable boy. By writing The Suitable Boy, Amrita Pritam has become a great novelist. He is, or she is Amrita Pritam. She belongs to Punjab. Thank you. Thank you so much.